Well, this is the Excursion, and look, my strut rods are shot. So that's what we're gonna try replacing today. I have a pole holding this hood up right now, and I got the replacements. They're called Max Pow from Amazon as a set, and man, they're pretty cheap. So let's try the first one. They should be pretty easy to come. I just take a screwdriver, you push it under this tab, and it should just look. It should just lift it right up, and then it should pop right out. And the same thing with this side. Just get a screwdriver under there, small flathead, and you should be able to just pull that. All right, you can already tell that the new one is extended a lot more than the old one, and it looks a little longer. So let's see if this actually fits. I'm gonna push the other side in right there. Just take it and push it in, and then I'm gonna push the hood up a little bit. So I can get my hand on it. That's it. Okay. Put the hand on it, and then I'm gonna push that in like so. There we go. There we go. And now look. All right. And that's it. And look, the hood stays up by itself and the broom's down. Okay. Good luck on your repair. I am going to replace both sides.